Do you want to save hours of work in Excel? In this video, I'll show you 10 hidden Excel tricks that everyone should know in 2025. These shortcuts and features will make you faster, smarter, and way more productive. Let's get started. Number 1. Flash Fill. If you have data in one column and want Excel to automatically recognize the pattern, just type the first example and press Ctrl+E. Excel will instantly fill the rest. This is a huge time saver for names, numbers, and text formatting. Number 2. Remove duplicates. Select your data, go to the Data tab, and choose Remove Duplicates, and Excel will instantly clean up your list. No more manual searching. Number 3. Text to columns. If your data is stuck in one column, like first and last names, select the column. Go to Data, Text to Columns, choose Delimited by Space, and split them instantly. Number 4. Quick Sum. Instead of typing formulas, just select a range of numbers and press Alt+=. Excel will automatically insert the sum formula. Number 5. Freeze Panes. Go to View, Freeze Panes, and keep headers visible while scrolling through large data sets. Number 6. VLOOKUP shortcut. Instead of writing the formula from scratch, type =VL and Excel will auto-suggest VLOOKUP. Fill in your table range and column number, and you're done. Number 7. Conditional Formatting. Highlight important data by selecting your cells, then go to Home, Conditional Formatting. For example, set a rule so sales below target turn red automatically. Number 8. Insert multiple rows quickly. Select the number of existing rows where you want new rows inserted. Right-click and choose Insert. Excel will add that many rows at once. Number 9. Useful shortcuts. Try Ctrl+Space to select a column, Shift+Space to select a row, and Ctrl+Shift+L to toggle filters instantly. Number 10. Power Query. Go to Data, Get and Transform from Table/Range. With Power Query, you can clean, combine, and analyze data without writing complex formulas. It's like Excel magic for large data sets. And that's it. 10 hidden Excel tricks you can start using today to save time and work smarter. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, and check out my other videos for more AI and productivity hacks. See you in the next one.